Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this session today we are going to learn about antimicrobial agent classifications along with the monographs of some compounds. I Professor MG Shinde welcomes to all of you for this session. The learning objectives to study the classification and monographs of hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate and boric acid. Very first of all, as earlier we have discussed, antimicrobial agents. These are the chemical preparations which help in reducing or preventing the infection due to the microbes like bacteria, fungi, etc. There are various examples of antimicrobial agents like hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate. The classification of antimicrobial agents, these are classified on different bases. Here, the classification based on their mechanism of actions. According to their mechanism of actions, antimicrobial agents, these are three classes. First one is antioxidant agents, which act by oxidation mechanism. For example, hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate. Second class, halogenating agents, which act halogenation of proteins. Example is iodine preparations. And third class is that is protein binding or precipitating agent, which causes precipitation of proteins. For example, boric acid. Now, the monograph of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide brings about oxidation of active functional groups which is present in the proteins or enzymes and that can causes the changes in the conformations and functions of the proteins. Hydrogen peroxide, the molecular formula is H2O2. The preparation of hydrogen peroxide it is obtained by adding a thick paste of barium peroxide in ice cold water to a calculated quantity of ice cold dilute sulfuric acid. The, insoluble barium sulfate is filtered out and the liquid obtained is hydrogen peroxide is collected. The uses of hydrogen peroxide it is used as an oxidizing agent, bleaching agent. It is useful as an antiseptic and germicide and hence used for cleaning the cuts and wounds. The assay of hydrogen peroxide is carried out by permanometric method in which 10 ml of sample is diluted to 250 ml of in volumetric flask with the purified water. To the 25 ml of this solution, 10 ml of 5-normal sulfuric acid is added and then the contents are titrated with the 0.1 normal KMnO4 solution until a faint pink color is obtained. The factor is here, each ml of 0.1 normal KMnO4 is approximately 0.001701 gram of hydrogen peroxide. The another compound potassium permanganate which is also an oxidizing agent. The monograph of potassium permanganate. The molecular formula is KMnO4, molecular weight is 158. It has not less than 99% weight by weight of KMnO4. The preparation of potassium permanganate on a large scale. Potassium permanganate is prepared by mixing a solution of KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, with the powdered manganese oxide and potassium chloride. The mixture is boiled and evaporated to yield the residue which is heated in the iron pans until it has acquired a paste-like consistency. Potassium hydroxide plus 3 manganese oxide and potassium chloride that will give potassium manganate. This potassium manganate soap form is extracted with the boiling water and current of chlorine. Carbon dioxide or ozonated air is passed into the liquid until it gets converted to the permanganate. The manganese oxide form is removed continuously so as to prevent its breaking down to manganate. Properties: potassium permanganate occurs in the form of dark purple colored monoclinic prisms which are almost opaque having a blue metallic luster. Potassium permanganate is odorless. It is soluble in 15 parts of water and 3.5 parts of boiling water. A solution of KMnO4 has a sweetish astringent taste. It acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. Storage. Potassium permanganate is stored in tightly closed container. Its assay is based on the redox titration methods. Potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent and oxalic acid is a reducing agent. An accurately weighed amount of about 0.8 gram of sample is dissolved in the water. Then it is diluted with the water to 250 ml. The solution is titrated with a 25 ml 0.1 normal oxalic acid, which is mixed with the 25 ml water and 5 ml of sulfuric acid. The temperature is maintained at about 70 degrees throughout the entire titration. Here, the factor is each ml of 0.1 normal oxalic acid is approximately equal to 0.00316 gram of KMnO4. Uses of potassium permanganate. It is useful as an antiseptic in the mouthwash preparations. Second, it is useful as an anti-infective. It is regarded of immense value. Third, it is used in the treatment of arthritis. Potassium permanganate as an antidote in case of poisonings of the barbiturates, chloral hydrate, and many alkaloids. As an in veterinary practices as an antiseptic. So these are the uses of potassium permanganate. Last compound from this is boric acid as an antimicrobial agent. Molecular formula is H3BO3. Molecular weight is 61.83. It has not less than 99.5% of H3BO3. Boric acid prepared in laboratory scale. Boric acid is obtained by adding a mixture of concentrated H2SO4 and water to a boiling solution of a borax. So the preparation in laboratory scale boric acid obtained by the mixture of concentrated H2SO4 water to a boiling solution of borax. The solution is filtered out and kept aside for the crystallization. The crystals of boric acids are separated and then washed until they become free from the sulfate ions. Finally, they are dried at room temperature. Properties. Boric acid is a solid which is available in three forms: colorless, odorless, pearly scales, six-sided triclinic crystals, white odorless powder. It is odorless with slightly acidic and bitter taste and untouched to touch. The storage of boric acid. It is stable in air and has a density of 1.46. Boric acid, which is a weak acid. It is acid by titrametric method. An accurately weighed quantity of boric acid is dissolved in a mixture of 50 ml of water and 100 ml of glycerin previously neutralized to phenolphthalein. Now, this solution is titrated with the 1 normal sodium hydroxide using phenolphthalein as an indicator. The factor of this titration, each ml of 1 normal sodium hydroxide, which is approximately equal to 0.06183 gram of boric acid, that is H3PO3. Now the uses of boric acid. Mainly, the boric acid is useful as a local anti-infective agent. Second, it is also useful as a dusting powders, local antiseptic creams, ointment, lotions, etc. applied to the skin or mucus or eyes. An aqueous solution have been used as a mouthwash, eye lotions, skin lotions. It possesses weak bacteriostatic and fungostatic actions and hence useful in various preparations. Thank you.